Thank you for choosing Cyfin. In this video we will cover the essentials to make your onboarding experience as smooth as possible. Cyfin has two major components. The first is the Cyfin server. The second is the metric server. First, let's focus on the purpose for the Cyfin server. You will connect to the Cyfin server using your browser to access Cyfin's administrative settings. You will also connect to the Cyfin server using your browser to access Cyfin's visualizer dashboard. Cyfin is also your data collector for all the data sources you have configured and are ingesting. The metric server is where all the ingested data is stored. The metric server is a highly distributed and scalable data storage system that can be easily scaled for your needs. If your data storage needs increase, you simply add additional metric servers to your configuration. In addition to having a highly distributed and scalable design, Cyfin also comes with flexible, modern platform options. Cyfin supports the following virtual environments: VMware and Hyper-V. Cyfin also supports container environments like Docker. Wavecrest also offers a fully managed Cyfin cloud option. Here is some additional information to aid in your onboarding experience. Please do not hesitate to contact our friendly product experts with any questions. Thanks again for choosing Cyfin.